their groundbreaking discoveries.
Radar is revolutionary and it changes the way people war.
Were harnessed for evil.
Don't think anyone truly imagined what the Nazis would do.
Uncover the scientific breakthroughs of humanity's darkest hour.
Someone that saves lives is actually at the forefront of the worst Nazi crimes.
A brand new series, Secret Nazi Science, starts Monday the 6th of May on Viasat History.
Både fiender og venner ble målskyver.
One of the reasons why he was executed was to keep him quiet.
De beskyttet sin egen profil og makt.
They wanted to maintain the fiction that all was well.
Oppdag hemmelighetene de tok med seg I graven.
Who had given in the cyanide capsule?
Nazistiske mordmysterier på Viasat History.
It's an archaeology book with many pages yet to be read.
This is the first time that anyone has seen this text in 2,000 years.
Ooh, I see.
Witness a clash of two